Today is my day off and it's October 15. So, time check, it's 12:34 and kakatapos ko lang guys maglaba and kumain din ako ng lunch. So, yeah, so I'm good right now and I'm just planning to go outside to get or to buy some stuff like my pants. I want to buy one pants. So, I'm just gonna go there and then, but before that, ibibilad ko lang muna yung damit na nalaban ko kanina kasi naglaba ako ng aking mga damit. Yeah, the sun was so good right now and yeah, sobrang perfect siya guys pag maglalaba ka tapos ganito yung init. So, ngayon is bibilad lang muna natin yung aking damit. So, I have here yung binabad ko kanina. This one. This is actually my uniform in the pharmacy and ayun na. I have those wash clothes. Nahulog na nga siya actually. Pero kailangan ko siyang i-pick up kasi baka maihian siya ng cats. Okay. So, it will be there. Just gonna put my white here kasi sobrang ganda ng init. Okay. Alright guys, so ayun na yung mga damit ko na nilaban today. So, what I'm gonna do is pupunta na ako para maghanap ng aking mabili na pants kasi isa lang yung pants ko and sobrang hirap siya guys kasi mas maganda pag meron pang pinapalitan. Hindi lang yung wash and wear. So, yeah. I'm gonna get some water as well. So, I'm gonna bring this and yeah, get some food, I guess. Okay, so let's go. I think I can bring this, but I'm just gonna leave it here, maybe. Because I don't have any Wi-Fi outside, so I'm just gonna go quick and came back here. So I'm just planning sana para maiba is to go around to see or wherever. So I'm just gonna find out myself kung saan ako pwede today na makapunta, but I want yung close or malapit lang dito sa staff house para hindi ko na kailangan na mag-travel, mamasahe or something like that. Kasi I have like enough allowance for this month. So, yeah. So, I'm here in this town hall, they call this. I bought my jeans for tomorrow, so I'm just gonna have to wash this before wearing. Right now, I'm just going to somewhere else and finding the what's this called? Something to eat. Thinking to get some food. I'm here right now. Look at this. It's very cheap though. Prices are so cheap here. Isa pa pabili na ako ng kinakailangan ko actually. Yeah, I'm here walking, going to my house. I'm planning to something that I can drink. I'm so thirsty. And yeah, there's a lot of people here in downtown. guys, so kakarating ko lang. Malapit na ako sa staff house and bumili ako ng mga aking damit, pants. Ayan, kabili na ako. And meron din ako, bumili din ako na to. Milk tea. And also, bumili din ako ng water ko for the entire day. So, yeah. I feel like sobrang uhaw today. Kaya bumili ako ng aking pwedeng mainom. Okay, so ito yung nabili ko guys. So I bought this. I want to try this so far. It's been my first time. This is called Kiko P tea. So that's right.